Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of funding your Wealthsimple account. Specifically, we're tackling a question that's popped up a lot lately: can you wire money to Wealthsimple? Now, for those new to investing, Wealthsimple is a popular online brokerage platform. It lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other financial products. But how you get your money in there is crucial. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the nitty-gritty of Wealthsimple's funding options, with a special focus on that wire transfer button you might be itching to click. First things first, why would you even consider a wire transfer? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you have a hefty sum sitting in another bank account and want to move it quickly. Perhaps you're dealing with a large inheritance or receiving funds from abroad. Whatever the case, a wire transfer seems like a fast and efficient solution. But here's the thing, Wealthsimple actually prefers other methods. Let's explore why. Why wire transfers aren't Wealthsimple's favorite. There are a couple of things to consider when it comes to wire transfers and Wealthsimple. Firstly, they can be a bit slow. While the transfer itself might happen quickly, there can be processing times on both ends. This means your money might not be available to invest right away. Secondly, wire transfers often come with fees. Your bank might charge you a hefty sum for sending the wire, and Wealthsimple might have their own receiving fees as well. These fees can eat into your investment returns, so it's definitely something to keep in mind. Hold on, there's hope. Here's how you can really fund your Wealthsimple account. Alright, so wire transfers might not be the most ideal option for Wealthsimple. But fear not, there are several other ways to get your money in there and start investing. The speedy option, Interac e-Transfer. This is a fantastic option for Canadians. It's a secure and instant way to transfer funds from your bank account to Wealthsimple. Plus, there are usually no fees involved, making it a real win-win. The classic choice, direct deposit. This is a great option for setting up regular contributions. You can choose to have a fixed amount automatically deposited from your bank account to Wealthsimple at set intervals. This is a fantastic way to ensure you're consistently investing and building your wealth over time. The instant gratification fix, link debit card. Wealthsimple allows you to link your Visa or MasterCard debit card to your account. This means you can instantly transfer funds whenever the investing bug bites. Just remember, using a debit card might not be the most strategic approach for larger sums due to potential transaction fees. The old faithful, bank transfer. This is a good option if you're comfortable with traditional bank transfers. It might take a few business days for the funds to appear in your Wealthsimple account, but it's a familiar and reliable method. So, can you wire money to Wealthsimple? Technically, yes. Wealthsimple does accept wire transfers for CAD funds. However, it's not their preferred method due to the potential delays and fees involved. There are several other, often faster and cheaper, options available. For most people, a simple Interac e-Transfer, direct deposit, linked debit card transfer, or even a standard bank transfer will do the trick. Final thoughts. Remember, when it comes to funding your Wealthsimple account, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best method for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors like speed, convenience, and cost when making your decision. If you're still unsure, Wealthsimple has a fantastic customer support team who can answer any questions you might have. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.